Well, it looks like I've got a few things going on here. I'm in a condo, a nice little 2-bedroom condo. It's a vacation condo rental in Maui, and they asked me to come over here and take a look. And I've been doing all kinds of stuff over here. I got a whole little list here going, and I still have a few more things, but I wanted to show you just briefly a few different things. Yeah, you want to come out to Maui? Let me know and I might get you hooked up. Okay. Now this bedroom door closes right up against the glass, and that's why they have these little stoppers. See this thing? That's kind of slick. It's like that. You pop the hinge pin out. You can get these at most hardware stores, and sometimes they have a little rubber stop like that on both sides. This one is kind of fixed right there, and then this one you can adjust it. So you just unscrew it or screw it in, and that will adjust how much this door opens. And then you adjust the bottom one to match the top one. Okay, well, it cracked me up when I came here. These were flopped over. But see this one? This one just happens to have a flat pad on it, and then however far you open it, you can adjust it. See how that kind of slides? It goes both directions. Well, I've got it determined that it's going to go about right there. So when the door opens, it fits nice and flat up against the door. And incidentally, I kind of like that because you see this mark right here. There's a mark right there, and you look down here. Sure enough, there's a mark right there. That's from the old style of these. These put marks on there. See, you got an indentation right on the jamb. Well, on these flat ones, you're not going to get that, are you? Okay, see this one here. It took more pressure, and it's actually made a big old indentation right there. Sometimes those dig right into the trim, depending on how thin your trim is. Okay, so I got that all adjusted. And I've got it. I don't want to get it too close to the glass because somebody slams this or hits it and leans on it. I don't want them to crack that. So you have to kind of make a happy medium. Obviously, you don't want the door to stop like that. You want it to be about here, and then you feel the friction, and then it just kind of springs. See there? I'm just pushing on the door and letting go. Okay, so I got that fixed. What else did I do in here? I wanted to kind of cover some of these other things I did. Reinstall door stopper and hinges, all baseboard dinged and missing paint. Well, that's a given. And let's see here. So they wanted me to look at that. Bedroom closet needs repair. Same closet. They had it on both sides. Now see